Hello everyone, welcome to All in One PHG. Welcome to All in One PHG. So today we are going to solve conscious mathematics. Today we are going to solve conscious mathematics class 9th Shelina solutions. Chapter number 19, mean and median. Exercise 19A. So let's get started. Sum number 1. Find the mean of 43, 51, 50, 57, 54. Here, you know that mean formula. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So, mean is equal to 43 plus 51 plus 50 plus 57 plus 54 by total observations 5 is equal to 255 by 5 slash 51. Answer is 51. So moving to the next sum, find before starting the sum second and third. In second sum also we need to find the mean. Third sum also we need to find the mean. But the difference is here first 6 natural numbers, here first 10 odd numbers. So let us solve second sum and third sum as you can solve with the example of second sum. So third sum you can solve. So let's solve second sum. The mean of the first 6 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to add them. 1 mean is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 6 is equal to 21 by 6 is equal to 3.5. So moving to the next fourth sum. Even these three sums are same, but I will be telling fourth sum. Factors of 10. Factors of 10. Factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Mean is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10 by 4 is equal to 18 by 4 is equal to, the answer is 4.5 is the answer. Now fifth sum, find the mean of x plus 3 comma x plus 5 comma x plus 7 comma x plus 9 comma x plus 11. So here we need to find the mean of these all observations, and there are total 5 observations. You may think we have divided them with plus, so this will be one term, this will be one term. But they have given in question only 5 terms, so you need to write it by 5 only. So let's do this sum. By 5 is equal to 5x plus 35 by 5 is equal to 3x plus 7 by 5, which gives by 5 is equal to x plus 7 is the answer. So now let's go to the next sixth sum. If the different value of variable x are 9.8, 5.4, 3.5 7, 1.7, 1.8, 2.6, 2.8, 8.6, 10.5 and 11.5. Now we need to find the mean bar. So let's solve the sum here only. 9.8 plus 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 by total terms are 10 is x, then x bar is equal to 5.8 is the answer. Let me tell the sum again. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Then x bar is equal to, here mean means x bar, and sum of observations by number of observations means sum of observations is ex by number of observation is n. Either you can write the formula as like this or in the shortcut like this. Anything is correct. Then we have added this and we have got the answer. Mean is equal to 5.8. So let's second. Now they have told to find the value of x minus mean is equal, and we need to find the value. For this you need to draw a table. Should I వచ్చారు? So I have drawn the lines. Now keep here x, x bar, x minus x bar. Now write all the terms. 9.8, 5.4, 3.7, 1.7, 1.8, 2.6, 2.8, 8.6, 10.5, 11.1. Now write the answer which have we got. 5.8. Same to all the terms in front of them. Now after multiplying this sum example, 9.8 minus 5.8, the sum obtained will be only this answer is equal to 4. Instead of writing this full, we can write shortly in form of this, like this. 4 minus 0.4 minus 2.1 minus 4.1 minus 4 minus 3.2, 2.8, 4.7, 5.3. Now after adding all these terms, if you get the 0 as the answer, the sum is right. By in case if you didn't got 0 and got 0.1 minus 0, even reducing one drop also, that your answer is wrong. So if you get, after adding these terms, if you get the answer as 0, your sum is correct. So please do copy, and moving to the next sum. Here 15 observations are given and the mean is 32. We need to find the resulting mean. Here in this resulting mean they will give some conditions. Here first condition increased, second condition decreased, third condition multiplied by 2, fourth condition divided by 2, increased by 60, decreased by 20. Like this conditions will be given. So let us solve this and this. And in the next page, this. So let's get started. First sum. You need to write resulting mean is equal to 32 plus 3 is equal to 35. Second sum. Second sum. Resulting mean decreased by 7 is equal to 32 minus 7 is equal to 25. Next sum, multiplied by 2. Resulting mean multiplied by 2 is equal to 32 into 2 is equal to 64. Now, fourth sum divided by 0.5, which is equal to 322 by 0.5 is equal to 32 by 1 by 2, which means 0.5 means 1 by 2. So that's why it is like that. 32 into 2 by 1, which is 64. Moving to the next sum, increased by 60%. 32 into 60 plus 100 by 100. 32 is equal to 160 by 100, which gives 512 by 10 is equal to 51.2. In the same way, in here it will be minus and 20% will be coming here. Then here the answer obtained will be coming 80, and you can solve it very easily. Now let's go to 8th sum. Given the mean of 5 numbers is equal to 18. Mean is equal to sum of 5 numbers by 5 is equal to 18. Next step, therefore total sum of 5 numbers is equal to 5 into 18 is equal to 90. Now if one number is excluded, then the mean of remaining 4 numbers is equal to 16. Sum of 4 numbers by 4 is equal to 16. Therefore, sum of 4 numbers is equal to 4 into 16 is equal to 64. Therefore, excluded number is equal to sum of 5 numbers minus sum of 4 numbers is equal to 90 minus 64 is equal to 26. Question number 9. If the mean of observations x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus x plus 8 is 11. Find the value of x, the mean of first 3 observations. So, now 11 is equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x by 2 is equal to 11. So you need to write all this term here by is 11 is equal to, and write all these terms by, 11 is equal to by 5. 11 is equal to 5x plus 20 by 5. 11 is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, First sum answer x is equal to 7. Second sum answer, the mean of first three observations, x plus 7 plus x plus 4 by 3. 3 is equal to 3 into 7 plus 6 by 3 is equal to 21 plus 6 by 3 is equal to 27 by 3, which gives the answer as 9. So let's go to question number 10. So this question number 10 and 11 are same. So let's solve question number 10. The mean of 100 observations is 40. It is found that an observation 53 was misread as 83. Find the correct mean. Correct mean given mean of 100 observations is equal to 40. Sum of 100 observations is equal to 100 into 40, which gives 4000. Correct observation is equal to 53. 53. Incorrect observation is equal to 83. Therefore, correct mean is equal to 4000 plus 53 minus 83 by 100 is equal to 3970 by 100, which gives the answer as 39.7 is the answer. I would like to give a brief explanation about this sum. In this sum, only one observation is misread, but in this sum, two observations are misread. But same process, that's all. So moving to the 12th sum. Find the mean of 75 students if the mean of 45 of them is 18 and the mean of remaining ones is 18. So mean of 45 numbers is equal to 18. Sum of 45 numbers is equal to 18 into 45 is equal to 180. Mean of the remaining is equal to 75 minus 45 into 30. Numbers is equal to 13. Therefore, sum of remaining 30 numbers is equal to 13 into 30 is equal to 390. Therefore, sum of all 75 numbers is equal to 810 plus 390 is equal to 1200. Mean of 75 numbers is equal to 1200 by 75, which gives the answer as 16. Let us you can do 13 sum and 15 sum. 15 sum is as same as 9th sum and 13 sum is also given. So let us solve 14 and 16. The mean marks out of 100 of boys and girls in an examination are 70 and 73 respectively. If the mean marks of all students is that examination is 71, find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Solution. Let boys is equal to X, girls is equal to Y. Given mean of X boys is equal to 70. Therefore, sum of the marks of X boys is equal to 70X. This is the first equation. Mean marks of Y girls is equal to 73. Therefore, sum of the marks of Y girls is equal to 73Y. This is the second equation. Given mean marks of all X plus Y students is equal to 71. From first and second equation, sum of the marks of X boys plus Y girls is equal to sum of the marks of X plus Y students. 70X plus 73 Y is equal to 71X plus Y. 71X plus Y. X is equal to 2Y. X by Y is equal to 2 by 1. X is to Y is equal to 2 is to 1. Therefore, ratio of number of boys of girls is 2 is to 1. Now, last sum of the exercise. Total number of tests is equal to 8. Average score of A is equal to 25. Average score of A is 25. Let the score of 8th test is equal to X. Therefore, total score of 8 tests is equal to, write all this term, 29, 26, 18, 20, 27, 20. This sums here by plus X by 8. 25 into 8 is equal to 173 plus X. 200 is equal to 173 into X. X is equal to 200 minus 173. X is equal to 27. Therefore, the score of 8th test is equal to 27. So these are the answers. Please do like, share and subscribe to All-in-One PHG. All-in-One PHG. So answers. First sum answer 51, 3.5, 10, 4.5, X plus 7, 5.8, 0, 35, 27, 64, 64, 51.2, 25.6, 8th, 26, 9th, 7, 9. This sum answer 39.7, 50.9, 16, 54 kgs, 2:1, x is equal to 12, 16, 26, 20, sorry, 27 is the answer. So this is Consis Shelina Mathematics Class 9 Exercise 1.19.a Chapter 19. Please do like, share and subscribe to All in One PHG. All in One PHG. All in One